Hello everyone of class 9 standard. Today we will just do the practical. It's experiment number 4 in your exercise book. You can see that one. Measurement of volume. Okay, how to measure the volume? We will just use here some actually formula. What type of thing we'll use here? That we will calculate the displacement, the amount of water displaced. Okay, while you will just put some any object inside a liquid, then definitely the water level or the liquid level will increase. So from there we will able to calculate the volume. Okay, we know that one. Maybe you have learned that one in the chapter, that atmospheric pressure and that chapter. So that same practical we'll do here. What are the things required here? So first of all, you see this one. These apparatus are required. Okay, so this is one cork. Okay, this is a sinker. Any mass you can tell that one. And this is the measuring cylinder. Okay, in this measuring cylinder, first of all, here we have to calculate the uh, least count of this one. How can you calculate the least count? If you see that one, few water I have already put here, so that I will just tell you why. So here you see that one from 170 to 190. Okay, so 170 to 190, that means this is the gap is what? How much? That is 20. So if you calculate here, if you count that how many lines are there, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 lines are there. So definitely each and every line measurement will be 2, because gap is how much? 20. Each line 2. 10 lines are there. So least count will be how much then? 2 divided by 10. So least count will be how much? 0.2 here. Now in the book you will see that one. This table you can see. I have I don't have the book with me, but I have just written these all things. So least count of this one will be 0.2. How can you calculate that process? I told you, from the measuring cylinder, measuring this cylinder, from here you can easily calculate. Now the practical, what you will do, first of all, with the help of the sinker we will calculate these all things. I will tell you one by one. Now see here, in this case this is a sinker. Okay, this is a sinker that I will just put inside the liquid. First, the water level is now in 150. Okay, it is present at 150. So the rise in the water level, that I will calculate when it will just go inside the liquid. So if you just see that one, then the water level is rise up to 170. Water level is just nearly 170. It is just actually rise. So here in this case, what we will write in this table? In this table, what I will write, that I will just tell you. First of all, V1 and V2, this measurement we will write here. So initially it is in 150. So in place of V1 we will write 150. In place of V2 we will write 170, because it, when it will go, then water rises up to 170. So in this case the difference will be how much? 170 minus 150, V2 minus V1. So that is equal to 20 here. Clear? Maybe you understood that one. Next, we will change the water level up to 190. Now students, you can see that one, that water level is now at 190 place. Okay, the second measurement we will just now record. This is 190 place. Now the same thing we will do here, and we will just calculate the rise in the volume. How much rise in the volume is coming up, that will just notice here. So we will put this one inside. So if you put this one inside, you can see that one, that water level is rise up to 210. So V1 is now, in this case V1 will be 190 and the V2 will be 210. Clear? Maybe you understood that one. So that I will just write here. So in this case V1 will be 190 and V2 will be 210. Clear? So if you just calculate V2 minus V1, then what will be coming? That 210 minus 190, that means 20 is coming in this case also. here also 20, here also 20. Now the second type here, if you see that with sinker and the cork, that means two things will just come here in this case, and that I will just insert inside the liquid and we will calculate the rise in temperature, sorry, rise in the water level. So here we will just put this one inside. So while you are just putting inside that one, you can see that one that is coming as what, how much it is coming. This is 210. So this is 220 and 222. Clear? 1, 2. So 222 is coming here. 210, 220, 22. So 22 at least you can write down here, 22. So in this case, 190 will be the initial measurement, clear, and here 222. So 2, 2 and 2, clear. So V4 minus V3 will calculate here. That means 222 minus 190. So 222 minus 190 if you do, then you will get 32 here. Clear? So 32 will be coming. Now we will change this volume of the liquid up to 150 because initially we have taken 150. Then we will do the experiment with the help with the sinker and the cork, and we will just measure the actual measurement. Now student, you can see here that is that now water level is at 150. Okay. So now we will insert these two things inside this liquid and we will see the measurement. So if you see the measurement here properly, then what value is actually coming? Value is actually coming that you can see from here that this one is 170, clear. So 170 here and 182 is actually coming here. So you have to write down here 150 initial level and 182 here, clear. Now V4 minus V3 if you do, then what value is coming? 182 minus 150 is equal to 32. So this is actually the volume of the cork plus sinker, okay, VC. Now volume of the sinker we have already calculated, VS. So VC minus VS, that means this one minus this one if you do for 190 to 210 from the first experiment, and 32 minus 20 if you do here, then the same value will come. That means what? For this first one, 32 minus 20 is equal to 12, and 32 minus 20 for this one also, that is also 12, clear. So both the cases you can see that one, the volume of the cork is same, 12 centimeter cube. Now if you just calculate the mean here, then definitely you can understand that 12 plus 12 divided by 2, that means simply 12 centimeter cube will be the actual volume of the cork. So with the help of this apparatus we can easily measure that one. So these all things you have to write in the copy. Simply these things you will write down, and that is your experiment. Okay, so thank you.